at Miss Mandaluyong, kakatapos na po na ka ng swimsuit run. Hello, Malamig! Hello! How was that?
It was so fun.
Thank you so much! Good luck!
Thank you.
Good luck! Ang ganda!
Hello.
Charming!
Thank you so much.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Hello! Thank you! Nako, naganda naman dito mga to. I saw your talent. Ang ganda.
Thank you so much,
you.
po.
Ang ganda. Wow, si Sarah na dati. Hello, Sarah. Hello. Good luck. Good luck, girl. Yes, good luck. Good luck to the coronation night. Good luck. Good
Thank
luck to
you.
you. You did well on the talent. How does it feel for you?
Oh my gosh, it feels so exciting that I was able to perform to my fellow Mandalenians.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Maganda rin. How was
Thank you
it?
so much.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you everyone for supporting our journey.
And good luck on the coronation. Good luck to you on the
Thank you.
coronation. Diba? Wow, ganda ng talent mo. You speak well.
Thank you so much. It was about the 17 sustainable goals, and I hope I was able to inspire other people to take actions learn about the 17 sustainable goals. Thank you so much.
See you on the February 6th.
Yes, on the
Thank
coronation
you.
night. Thank you so much.
Wow. Wow, ito pa. Super pretty. Hello to you. How was it? Contented?
I feel satisfied. Yes.
Yan. Ilaban hanggang dulo.
Yes.
Yan.
Nalaban hanggang dulo.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Another beautiful girl. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, thank you so much and see you on the February 6th.
Yes, we will have fun this February 6th. See
Yeah,
ya.
thank you. You know what? You look like Dot Silhouette. You know her? Yeah, sabi ng Marabia, you look like her.
Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you on the coronation night.
Very pretty.
Thank you.
Congrats. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck. So beautiful.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, I like that. Hello, Mami Ricky.
Hello.
What is a nice swimwear?
Yeah, it's like ang peg niya is a Venus cup na sexy.
Yeah,
Oh.
very classy.
Very
As
and
always.
yet classy.
Yeah. Knowing Mama Ricky, congratulations Mama
Thank
Ricky for a
you.
good swimsuit. Congratulations to you, girl. Thank you. Medyo pagod ba?
Yes.
Tiring but fulfilling.
Yes, everybody enjoyed the night na lang po. It went on the flow.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw your dance pandago sa ilaw.
Oh, that has always been my talent portion po. So, it only took me like a week to rehearse it again. But the last time I performed it was 2 years ago.
Buti hindi nabasag, no, Kale?
Opo.
So, congrats to
Tanayan
you.
po.
Yeah. You also very touching yung yung empowering woman.
Yes, it's actually one of my advocacies and I want to show them not just my talent but also a part of me. Kaya yung mga women in the back, those are my fellow barangay
Yeah.
people and family.
Ano siya?
Yes.
Goosebumps.
I made that piece.
Yeah, congratulations. See you both. Yeah, go. Pagod ba? Pagod, girl? Yeah. Also, we only have one day na lang ang ating activity. Then, di ba, from here, then last na lang yung ating coronation night.
I'm expecting a really successful night for us girls.
But fun lang. Di ba? GB lang. But everybody's hoping for a crown naman, siyempre.
All of us are deserving.
Yeah, deserving. You're all beautiful, sexy, and smart. Congratulations, girl. See you. See you at the coronation. See you. We have here last year's winner. Yan. O, anong masasabi nyo sa nakita nyo preliminary for the swimwear and the talent portion? Medyo manghaba?
Yes, it still feels surreal na kami na lang yung nanonood ngayon and hindi na kami nakaka-feel ng nerve-wracking moment.
Last year, medyo kabado rin kayo di ba?
Yes, very nice yung performance ng mga girls. And tulad ng sabi ni May, very nostalgic na okay, hindi na pala kami yung nasa stage. It's them na. So it's a different feeling to watch them.
But you girls are still planning to join, di ba, another pageant soon. Yan, soon. We'll be waiting. Hey girl, ikaw ay isa sa mga napiling best in talent last year. Ano sa mga palagay mo ang mga tumatak sa yung talent for this night?
Actually, lahat ng talents nila is very good and very nakaka-enjoy kasi ayun yung pinaka-important sa talent. Like, ma-enjoy ng mga manonood. Actually, what impressed me a lot is the one who sang like the opera song, and then the song and rap by candidate number 3. Yeah, pero nakaka-enjoy. Mas magaan lang sa feeling.
Can you please invite, Bella, mga ating mga manonood to watch our coronation night? Magpuputong na kayo ng corona.
Yes, I hope that you will join us on Feb 6 for the coronation night of Miss Mandaluyong 2026.
See you. Thank you so much. See you everyone to the coronation of February 6th here at Mandaluyong City College. Thank you. See you.